Hello everyone, this is Kesha. Welcome to my class. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial of our choreography on the song Jalebi Baby. As always, I'll be just teaching you on counts. If you want to compare them on music, the link of the video is given up and also in the description. So let's go. So we start with our choreography with our legs joined. Take your hand up and punch down. Take your right leg back. Then you go bounce, bounce. Take your right legs up and hit it. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go push, step, step. Take your right leg up, throw it and take your body up. Then your right hand goes to your chest and left hand goes forward. Drop down and up. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2, 3 and drop. When you finish this step, take your left leg out and cross, open, cross. So you have to do it 3 times. Left, right, left. Take your hands inside and your left leg inside. Then take your left leg out, left hand out. Go roll, roll. Again from the start, 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Drop, change, cross, open, cross, inside, roll, roll. When you finish your roll, directly place your leg behind, left, right, left. Up, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 steps. When you finish this, 1, 2, right leg back, right leg forward, left leg behind. So when you will place your left leg behind, your hands will come to your waist. Then you go heel, toe, up and. Place your right leg heel, 1 and 2 and. Roll your right leg inside, take your left leg out, roll and open. Again till you're from the start, 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross, open, cross, inside, roll, roll, 1 and 2, 3 and roll and out. Then you finish here, you are facing towards your right diagonal. Twist yourself to your left diagonal and go twist, step. We'll directly face towards your left side and lift your right leg and place it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's revise it from the start. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Drop, cross, open, cross, inside, roll, roll, right and step, hit and circle, roll, out, twist, place, right, left. So here comes the first part. Now comes the second part. Right, left. You finished here. Take your left leg behind, place your right leg forward. Left leg open and directly go down. When you finish this, bend your right knee, left knee, straight and up. Clear? Again, let's go with the second part. You finished this way. 5. You finished twist and right, left. Go forward with your right leg first. Left, right. When you place your left leg, then you just have to take your hands down. Just rest it down. Fold your right leg, left leg, straighten and directly lift up. So when you finish this, you just have to jump behind twice with your first hand this way, second hand this way. So it goes back and step. You finished here, take your left hand down and you will turn your body towards your audience side, left hand down, right hand up and just look to your right side. Don't directly just look fully, you just have to look at halfways. Again from the second part, 5, 6, 7, go and step down, right, left, step, up, jump, jump, left, right, look. When you finish this step, take your right leg out and just go hit, hit. Take your right leg behind and you go hit, hit. With your handwork goes left hand out, right hand out. So with that it goes roll, roll. Then take your right hand forward, pull it backside. When you are pulling your right hand, your left hand comes forward. 1, 2. So the footwork is go to your left side and right side. It goes 1, 2. So when you finish this step, you just have to take a jump with your right leg behind and left leg forward. So it makes a cross this way. So it goes jump, place. So it goes this way. You finish your step here. 1, 2, jump, and when you finish your jump directly, you will go down. Take your hair forward, lift up and just flick it. Clear? Okay, let's go with the second part again. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and down. Right, left, step, up, jump and step, step. Turn. 1, 2, side, side, jump, drop and forward. When you finish this step, there is a partner walk. You can do it my step also or my partner step also. So we just have to walk forward with our 3 steps. You can take any 3 steps, 1 and 2, and come to your this direction. Then place your hand towards your left thigh, twist your leg twice. Clear? So I will teach you here also. You place your hands towards your left knee and you twist your knee inside, right knee. 1 and 2. That's clear? When you finish, step, jump and 1 and 2, roll, roll, side, side, jump, go down and take forward and flick. Then you go 1 and 2, hit, hit, then jump towards your left side, take your left hand behind. So you just have to take a wave with that. Your left hand goes behind, later on your right hand goes behind. So it is 1, 2, take your right leg behind. This is a very famous step from our reels. Right leg, left leg. So when you finish this, you have to place your right leg and twist your knee outside. So these are the beats. You have to catch 4 beats. So the first beat is this. You just have to hit your elbow down, left elbow down. Place, then up, place. Then you just have to take your right leg inside. Lift and take your right leg inside. With that you have to jump towards your right side. Step and punch. Punch with your right hand. Now comes the whacking part. Roll your hand. First I just teach you the hand work, then I teach you the body work. So it goes roll your right hand inside and step. So your left hand goes 1, 2 and your right hand goes 1 inside step. So it goes simultaneously, that goes 1 and 2. So your left hand goes towards your waist. Lift your left leg, point and step, look forward. So when you finish this step, left, right and look forward on the word of hey. So you finish this 1. Now comes the third part. Let's revise the second part very quickly. You finished here. 5, 6, 7. Go left and drop, right, left and step, hit, hit, step, step, turn, roll, roll, left, side, jump, drop and flick, then 1 and 2, hit, hit, side, side, piche, piche, then you go beat, beat and punch. Now with that, this step you have to go towards your left side. 1 and, sorry, you don't have to roll your left hand. 1 and hit, step, step, look. So till here, it was the second part. Now comes the third part. So you finished your look here. Place your hands towards your lowers, or you can place it towards your thighs. You finished here. Now you just have to take your right leg inside on your toes. You just have to bend down and roll your neck part. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to bounce 4 times. So it goes 1 and 2 and now wave, wave. With that, your pelvis part goes upside. That goes 1 and 2. When you finish this, relax your leg and your hand comes here. You have to bounce 2 times. 1 and on the third step, you have to jump. And just have to hold over here. Again, you finished here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. Step, step, 3 and 4. You finish here. Now, wave your right hand, wave your left hand. With that, you just have to look with your eyes to your right side, then your left side. With that, also you have to twist your legs. 1, 2. Then, take your left leg behind, take your right toe up, left toe up, and jump, step. So these are 4 steps. That goes 1, 2. There comes left leg behind, right leg behind, again go behind, step. With that, you just have to bend your knees. That goes 1, 2, lift, drop. When you finish this, cross your hands this way, cross it 1 and 2. So you have to do the same step towards your left side. That goes pulse, pulse. Now take your hand this way. Lift your left leg and jump forward. First left, right, and the third lift you will do it on the audience side. Lift and hold your hands and just go roll from your left to right. Clear? Again we go with the third part. You finished here, the second part. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, hit, hit, 1 and 2. Slide and step, step, jump and cross, cross, left, right, left, circle. So when you finish this step, I guess we revise it again. 5. Do it from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. Step, step, 1 and jump, right, left, hit, hit, jump and cross, cross, lift, lift, lift and roll. Now we have to cross our hands, cross, open, go to your right side and step. So you have to shuffle your legs. 1 and shuffle left, right and take it inside. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and now lift your right leg, place it, lift your left leg, place it. With that, wave, wave. 2 times you have to wave. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2. Now, take your right leg forward and twist it towards your right side. 1, 2. With that, your hand goes towards your right and comes towards your left. That goes 1, 2. Jump behind. Diagonally, you have to face diagonally. Bend down and goes 1, 2 and. So there are 4 steps. Right, left. Now, lift your leg and roll it inside and hit it outside. So the footwork goes lift and hit your pelvis towards your right side. Again, roll and take everything towards your right. Then place it here. Hit towards your left, left, right. Then wave, take your left leg in. Then you go left, right leg down, right, left, right and finish. So after these steps, in the video we have done the free counts. Even you can add up your step or else you can just end it over here. So let's revise it from the start. The first part, second part and the third part. Let's go. 5. With your position 1, 5, 6, 7. Go wave, hit and up, drop. Then you go cross, open, cross, inside, roll, roll, right and step, heel, toe, lift and roll, out, twist, place, right, left and step, drop down, right, left, lift and hit, left, right, turn, 1, 2, side, side, lift, down and take forward and turn. Then 1 and 2, hit, left, right, roll, roll. Now go with the beats. Hit, step, lift, punch, 1 and 2, lift and loop. Now comes the third part. 5, 6, 7, go, 1 and 2, hit, 3 and 4, wave, step, jump and cross, left, right, left, roll, cross, open, step and wave, step and jump, bend, step, roll, out, left, right, step and right, left, right, finish. So these were the steps. Hope you have got them all. Like I always say, practice it, perform it, shoot your own video and share it with us. Till then, keep supporting.